NBWR Ransomware is another ransomware strain that's part of the prolific Djvu ransomware family. Like other similar infections, it locks target files and demands a ransom fee. Malicious programs like NBWR Ransomware are often distributed via software bundles. So if you tend to download freeware or pirated apps via torrent or cracked software sites, you can end up installing similar threats. NBWR ransomware locks most of the popular file types, including photos, music, documents, and videos. During the encryption process, the ransomware adds the NBWR extension to affected files and leaves a ransom note on the user's desktop and in every folder containing encrypted files. When NBWR ransomware is downloaded and installed, it uses the AES encryption algorithm to lock up files. Once the file encryption is complete, NBWR ransomware demands a ransom in exchange for the decryption key. The key costs $980, but the ransomware's operators will offer you a 50% discount and only charge $490 if you contact them within 3 days. There's 2 email addresses provided to contact hackers, support@freshmail.top and datarestorehelpyou@airmail.cc. Although we do discourage establishing contact with them, as there's no guarantee that they'll provide decryption after payment. It's important to note that NBWR ransomware does not just encrypt data, it may also attempt to delete shadow copies of the affected files stored on your computer. It's highly recommended that you do not attempt to pay a ransom for the key, as this does not guarantee that you'll get access back to your files. The best course of action is focusing on how to restore your data and protect your system from similar threats in the future. How do I deal with the NBWR ransomware infection? To protect yourself from the NBWR ransomware attack, you should practice safe web browsing habits like refraining from opening email attachments from unknown senders and downloading programs from unreliable sources. You should also have a reputable malware remediation tool installed on your computer. That way you can regularly scan for elements associated with this troublesome ransomware infection and other malware. Also, to reduce the potential damage of a future ransomware infection, please consider backing up your files on an external hard drive or cloud storage. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. Spy Hunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download Spy Hunter today. Thanks for watching.